Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same.
Yep, that was correct. That was right. Oh, I cannot think about that without a shame, but oh, that's crazy. Hi, my name is Anna and I am right here at a pocket option platform. Gonna be a little bit risky today, a little bit more than we wanted, maybe a little bit more that we can allow myself. But anyway, the strategy is gonna be the bunch of indicators maybe that is not so perfectly working together and Supertrend, you know it. But I think we can handle that. Let us check. 1 minute interval, done, 15, no, done, 10. We call all the indicators that I will use and we don't need 15 seconds candles. We will go for this. It's not like that's the tricky moment. That just me personally, I don't love it much. When it's 10 seconds, I started with the 30 seconds and I still think that's the best. It's a little bit boring, but that's the best. And for all these pictures, for all these dynamics in the video, it's 10-15 seconds actually compromised. Keltner channel, rate of change, and Supertrend. So especially with the Supertrend being invisible in most of the cases, then we go with this period is gonna be as small as we can. Then we go safe. So the trickiest trick, 10 seconds candles. Yeah, we're gonna be 10, but let us see how we can handle that. Maybe we'll do that game and that's it. So we get back to it, and that is 160 is the first bet. We just leave something a little bit of it. Here I think we are onto some big rising, and that's the risk, of course, because we maybe already be at the middle. I can see that week going, actually the big tendency is to go upward, and now the Supertrend is just proving us right. But the pattern that we have, that's kind of scary, because the pattern is to go upward, kind of a lot of the downward, but not to the bottom, and then again rising. So we cannot know where we're going to be in a minute, because okay, the tendency maybe is to go rising, but maybe that sliding pattern. Of course, there is no guarantee that we can be just repeating what we had before. No, because you cannot see the chart being just hold the same with the same fluctuations. But anyway, the chances are pretty high. I'm just like, no, I'm not gonna watch on it, just like when you see some blood in the movies. And that was fine. Oh, that's crazy. It's like candles. There is the candle on a cake. Okay, just leave it. And oh, look at this. I don't think that's gonna be the big break-in. I think we gotta go downward, and downward. I also don't like this pattern of getting with a huge green candle, really fast. It's really fast one, because 10 seconds and that size, wow, it's just like the rocket. Okay, let's see. I think we're gonna be just falling. And it's pretty fine. It's not that bad. It's pretty fine. Yep, that was correct. That was right. Maybe now, when the rate of change at the bottom, we are at the high risk of getting upward, but we didn't have it before. Okay, that's the creepy one. Look at this. Oh my god, the candles are once again, this is kind of crazy situations. Feel like I got the stream. Oh, that was a disaster. I'm sorry. Oh, I cannot think about that without a shame, but it's like almost the same. You're just like that in guessing. You haven't that guessing because you need to go faster. You have no information at all. Even if you have it, you ignore it because I don't know why. And here, look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. So you decided to have the rising. At least we don't have Supertrend. At least we don't have Supertrend. So we have some hopes that it's gonna be the fallen. Okay, a few seconds. Few seconds. Oh my god. I wasn't breathing. I was just like, oh, it's fine, it's fine. Why I decided that it's gonna be bad? I don't know why. Everything was under control. Yes. What is your thought? You think we're gonna get downward, right? You think we're gonna get downward, but I bet we're gonna go upward. And I did it. I bet. But I think because I don't like this rate of change being at the bottom. I don't like it. It seems when we have, it's kind of on the chart we have a few candles or one big candle, that's okay. But with this chart of indicator, so I'm just already lost it. We actually have the full size here. We have the full size render. That means the fluctuations are not going to be big. But with this rate of change, we may actually adjust, which I don't like much. But no. We don't need that. We don't need that loose right here, right now, because we are having just 140 at the end. If I'm being honest, in many situations, I would go for the downward one. I mean, in this exact same situation, I would go for the downward one. Because that's the general rule. We rise and we fallen. But sometimes you're getting a little bit smarter than you even expect from yourself. And you're getting profitable. That was close. Done. And this is it. Just as I promised. Struggling, but being profitable. But there is no specific reason why you need to be struggling in your own trading sessions. And you can just, by watching this video, you can also you can choose the indicators that it's going to be working for you, because you can see how it's working perfectly, and you need to spend your own money to test it. I hope it works just like that. And of course, all of us can have ups and downs, and if you're going to be watching my stream video, you can see how many downs you may have even when you were a trader with experience.